Hello dear friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will see two types of decoupage. One on MDF box and another is Faux leather wristlet. First we will clean all the dust from the base. You can use brush, tissue paper or any dry and clean cloth. Now we can apply gesso, primer or acrylic paint on the base. I had already prepared this lid with 2 coats of gesso, so I am directly proceeding with the decoupage process. Now if you have observed the main design of the tissue paper, that big flowers are already going outside the lid. So I had to tear it off in 2 parts and then merge it while we paste it on the base. Please make sure you align the tissue paper first. See how you are gonna paste it and then start applying the glue. Or what happens, like we directly start applying the glue and then we align the paper, it will definitely mismatch your alignments. Please be very gentle when you are pasting the decoupage tissue. Now similarly we will cover the rest of the part. When we apply decoupage glue, it should be spread very evenly, because what happens, like in between, if there is a more quantity and if there is a less quantity on other side, then when you pasting the tissue paper, it will definitely gonna tear off, as it will be too wet and it will stick to your hands as well. We will merge other part of tissue paper now. So remove 2 plies of tissue paper and take only upper layer. As mentioned earlier, first align the tissue paper, check where you want to paste it and then start applying the glue. So guys, you can check all these final products on my Instagram page, on my Facebook page. And if you are new to my channel, watching my video for the first time, don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for all the upcoming videos notification so you don't miss out on any of our videos. Recently I have made one watch box with the dream catcher design, and there we have merged 2 different types of tissue, 2 different designs of tissue on one surface. It was my first trial and it was really exciting to do that project. So at the end you will have the glimpse of that project as well. So don't skip the video and watch till the end. Seal the corners very nicely and let it dry for a few hours. Once it's completely dry, we will remove extra tissue with help of sandpaper. Once pasting part is done, immediately we will seal it off with decoupage glue first and then we will varnish it. Till the lid is getting dry, we will complete our base. I have applied bubblegum color of chalk paint from Itsy Bitsy. I will mention all these products which I have used in this project in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. I used same chalk paint color on this beautiful embellishment. Inside the box I am using a complete contrast color, that is grey color, charcoal grey color you can say. Here I have used again Itsy Bitsy white chalk paint and mixed with black acrylic color. Same color I added little more water and I have added this beautiful little tiny splashes on the outside of the box. Now here we come with one of the exciting part of the project, that's adding little bit of detailing, stenciling, textures or embellishments. I always prefer to 1 or 2 coats of varnish before I add any embellishments or textures or stenciling to my projects. One of my favorite, that's fairy dust from Itsy Bitsy, and that I'm adding inside the lid where I'm gonna put this embellishment. Around this embellishment I have added a few silver cloth leaves, Mica Flakes and some pearls from Itsy Bitsy. Next, one more exciting part, that is transfer me sheet. Just remove the top layer, dip inside the water, keep it there for 10 to 15 seconds, take it out, flip upside down, just press gently, soak extra water and slowly slide it, and that's it. It's so quick and so wonderful. I'm literally getting addicted to these transfer me sheets. Keep it aside for 15 to 20 minutes and immediately varnish it. Moving on to next project, that's fox leather wristlet, or you can say pouch. Same as earlier, that bigger flowers are getting out of the base, so we are just tearing it off first and then again merging it together. As you can see, that fox leather is already white, so we don't need any primer or gesso or acrylic paint or any chalk paint. So I am directly moving on to decoupage steps and pasting the tissue paper. These edges are very important to seal it nicely, otherwise what will happen after a few days or after some time, it will start peeling off from these edges. So you have to put very nice amount of decoupage glue and varnish in these slits, and then you have to make it sure that you apply it 2 or 3 times more. Once this is dried, I have applied 2 coats of decoupage glue, and once it again dried, applied 2 coats of varnish. To give crystal decoupage effect without using glass flakes, I am using here fairy dust. So first we have to apply layer of varnish, and before it gets dry we have to immediately sprinkle the fairy dust. Repeat the same process on whichever the surface you want to do that, and let it dry completely for a day or 2, and it's ready. Isn't it so beautiful? It's shining and sparkling. Wow, I just loved it. Hope you have loved it too. So give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, do let me know in comment section. And here is this project where I mentioned we have merged 2 different design tissues together on one surface, and see how beautifully it turned out, and I'm so happy that my client has also loved it.